Hello guys, this is Cinetic Films and today I'll be showing you how to grade your log footage. Like the easiest way to grade your log footage, log 3 to be precise. If you are coming across this channel for the first time and you want to be seeing updates like this, please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification and also share to your friends who are into cinematography or photography who wants to switch. And I'm grading this video with Davinci Resolve. So first of all, so first of all, first of all, this is the footage. You need to introduce the first frame, then you add in a node. This stuff we call node is just like you do your individual grade on the node, like a node tree. You can get a node pattern. You can get different pattern of nodes. So so you create a node, then you should get friendly with your waveform, vector scope. Just note all this and parade. So as you can see here, the first thing we are going to do first is contrast. So you should be looking at the scope so that you notice that. Let me show you something. Imagine you're pulling in your contrast. Are you seeing that this here is hitting the top highlight? And as you can see, are you noticing anything? So first thing first, reset. Let's reset it. Then let's go with offset. Just watch. Offset, take it down. Are you seeing that we are recovering some amount of highlights? Take it down. Then on my wheel, color wheel, then on the lift, a bit down. Okay, let's say -3 is good. So this is the before and after. Then still on that note, lift your gamma, then lift your gain. So watch before and after. This is the first step, before and after. This is the easiest way to grade your log 3 footage. Then the next thing, you add in another node. You add in another node. Then you use this for contrast. Are you now seeing the best way? Add in contrast. So our dark area, the blacks are almost touching. So you hit it like almost, then pivots, you increase it. So see the before and the after. Then you can go ahead and add saturation. You can go ahead and add, we'll reduce it later. So let's do our white balance. I'll show you a simple way of doing your white balance. Come to this window, click on rectangular, then circle, then zoom in, you pull, drop it on our forehead. Then click on this to highlight just only our skin. Then you go to vector scope. As you can see, this the first thing you need to do is try to highlight show times two zoom and show skin tone indicator and show colorize, and you're good to go. So this is our skin line. So you go to temperature and tint. So make this stuff, this line you see represent the skin, make it touch the skin line between red and yellow. So when you're done, you reset it. As you can see, this is before, this is after. So let's reduce the green, the magenta rather. At least 50 is not bad. So this is before and after. Then we can highlight, use this to highlight, because we want to select the skin. So what this window does is we want to limit it to when we are selecting the skin, not to expose the other areas on like the background. So we are kind of trying to limit it. So you can rotate to fit in your image. So in case your image is moving, you have to track. Then create another node. Then add layer node, link the two. Then this is for our skin. You can off, okay. This is for our skin. Then qualifier, go to qualifier and pick the skin. Just the skin. Try to adjust. Try to adjust to fit it in. To fit it in. So try to adjust. So what my window is doing is to limit, this is my qualifier. So if I want, I can do it manually. Let me show you how to do it manually. That means I need to delete this. I need to delete this. Then come to this pen on. Then select. So it will help me like stay off from these other parts that I don't want to select. Are you seeing something? Like Let's kind of fade it, the in and the outside. So there's no need to track again. So let's just perfect our selector in case you want to add some other part, like expanding it, but you can also do that. So I think this is okay. Then next thing you need to do, you need to blur, location blur, then the noise to make your selection accurate. Then this is it. So on my skin, I increase contrast. Then I try to soften the skin by mid and details. Let's say -20. Then next thing, I go to lock. In case you want to increase the brightness on your skin, you do it here by shadow. Then I reduce my saturation. Let me just reduce the saturation because I feel it's a kind of too much on the skin. It's better. Then I come to this place, I go to my offsets, I pull it down, down. So let it look like the light is reflecting on the background. So if you want to take it to the green side, you can do that. You can also try this step of mine. So then this is it. So before and after. Before and after. So if you want me to kind of do more videos on this, like the pro form, because this is just the basics. If you want me to do like using color space transform and some other pattern to convert your log, you can do well to make this video get up to 500 views, and I'll be, what am I saying? Sorry, 5,000 views. Let's get this video to 5,000, 10,000 views, and I'll be dropping the next video how to color like a pro using CST, color space transform. So this is our footage. So this is before and after. Before after. So you can as well let me reset this. You can as well copy this and paste it here. So this is our log 3 footage. Thank you for joining us. And if you're coming to this channel for the first time, you can do it to subscribe, on your notification, and follow our posts. So thank you so much. See you in the next one, and click on the next video to watch. Thank you. Bye.